back to my channel. So it's been literally forever since I made a video. My hair color has changed so many times since then. I've had red, I've had blue, I've had pink, I've had green, and I've just had so many different colors. But out of all of those colors, my current hair color, which is purple, is my absolute favorite. Reason why I decided to do this video is because I tried a new hair color brand and I wanted to talk to you guys about it, just to give my initial review. And then also persons keep asking me, what did you do to get your hair so purple? What brand did you use? What was the process? And so I'm just gonna talk about that today. Usually my go-to brand would be Via Naturals. Sometimes I have tried Avatar in the past. So the brand that I'm referring to is Kiss Colors Purple Passion. Their code is T330 and it's level 6. This brand says that it's made with aloe vera water. It has no ammonia, peroxide, or sulfates. It's enriched with argan oil, olive oil, and keratin and collagen. So it comes in this bottle, and I didn't even use all of the bottle. I still have about 3/4 of the bottle left. A really dark and rich color, but it's semi-permanent, and I'm gonna assume that it's a rinse because it's different from all the other dyes that I've worked with in the past. And it actually only takes 15 minutes to apply. The process that you use to get this color or to use this rinse is pretty much the same. You shampoo your hair first, then after shampooing you towel dry your hair to get out the excess water. Then you apply this, and of course you would apply it with your gloves. The bottle says leave it on for 15 minutes, but I've never actually followed the timeline that these bottles, mainly because I think keeping it on longer gives it a richer color, and I can tell you that I was right. And just my experience with coloring hair, it's better to keep the color in your hair longer just to make it process more, because with rinse they fade over time. So the longer you have it in, the darker the color will be, and the more time it takes to actually fade from your hair. So I think I left mine in for about 30 to 40 minutes, and then washed it out, deep conditioned my hair, and then did my normal styling process. But my initial review of this color, I'm in love. I like the fact that it doesn't have a strong smell like some other rings that I use. I like the fact that it actually lasts, so I know that I'll have a lot more to use after this if I need to touch up my hair. I just love how rich the color is. Like, it's not like any other color product that I've used before, and the fact that my hair had a different color before this, because green was in my hair before, and it completely covered the green without me having to without me having to bleach my hair. So that's also a plus. It seems to have pretty safe ingredients, nothing damaging to my hair, stuff that I love, argan oil, olive oil. But yeah, overall in love with this product. Definitely will try the other colors they have. Yeah, that is my initial review, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will definitely make a separate video so you guys can get to find out a little bit more about why I've been gone so long, what are my plans for this channel and stuff like that. But thanks for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to leave a like if you enjoyed this video. You can leave a comment down below if you have any questions, or if there was something you think I missed that you wanted to know. If you're new to this channel or haven't subscribed before, you can also do that. Thanks for watching, guys.